the anti-gravity waterfall. How to make water flow upwards. What if I told you we could make water defy gravity? Not with magic, but with simple physics. Today, we're creating an impossible-looking, upward-flowing waterfall using nothing but water, a speaker, and some clever science. This experiment isn't just visually stunning. It reveals hidden forces that shape everything from ocean waves to musical instruments. This phenomenon is called acoustic levitation. It's then where sound waves create enough pressure to manipulate liquids. When we tune sound waves just right, they can actually push against gravity, making water appear to flow upward. The key lies in how sound creates alternating high and low pressure zones that can counteract gravity's pull. Here's what you'll need: a powerful subwoofer or low-frequency speaker, a water pump and tubing system, a thin stream of water, a syringe or small hose works well, a frequency generator or tone generator app, food coloring for better visibility. 1. Create the water stream. Set up your pump to produce a thin, steady stream of water falling onto the speaker surface. 2. Add visual cues. Mix food coloring into the water to make the effect more visible. 3. Generate sound waves. Play tones between 20-60 Hz through the speaker. Start low and adjust gradually. 4. Watch the magic. At just the right frequency, the water stream will split into droplets that appear to float upward. 5. Fine-tune. Adjust the frequency slightly to create stable levitation patterns. This mind-bending effect works because 1. Stand-in waves. The speaker creates pressure waves that reflect off surfaces, forming stable high and low pressure zones. 2. Acoustic radiation force. Water droplets get trapped in the low pressure nodes where the upward force balances gravity. 3. Resonance. At specific frequencies, these forces become strong enough to visibly suspend and redirect water. The water isn't actually flowing upward continuously. It's being caught in these pressure pockets so quickly that our eyes perceive it as reverse flow. Frequency sensitivity. Tiny frequency changes dramatically affect the pattern. Just 1 to 2 Hz can make the difference between chaos and perfect levitation. Droplet size matters. Thinner streams work better as they're more easily influenced by sound pressure. Temperature effects. Warmer water behaves differently than cold due to changes in surface tension. While this looks like magic, the science has serious uses. Pharmaceuticals, used to mix delicate compounds without container contamination. Space research. NASA studies acoustic levitation for handling liquids in zero gravity. Material science. Creates perfect spheres for ball bearing production. This experiment beautifully demonstrates how invisible forces surround us every day. What seems like defiance of gravity is actually physics working exactly as predicted. We're just seeing it in an unexpected way. Try experimenting with different frequencies or water flow rates. Can you create multiple levitating streams? What's the highest you can make water appear to climb? Share your results in the comments. Remember, the universe is full of extraordinary phenomena hiding in plain sight. We just need to know how to look. If you enjoyed seeing water flow the wrong way, hit that like button and subscribe for more experiments that twist reality. Next time, we'll be stopping time. Or at least creating that illusion with strobe lights and physics.